dalawa palagi yung sinasabi niya. Tomorrow will take care of itself. Visit. At yung there always time for everything. Na yung buhay talaga, may panahon. Minsan nasa taas ka, minsan nasa baba. Kaya dapat maging humble ka lang talaga palagi. Marami kang tinuro sa amin na akala mo wala lang, pero tumatak talaga. Na alam mo yung, palagi ko sinasabi, ikaw magiging, isa sa magiging highlight ng buhay ko. Thank you sa trust, sa pagbigay ng chance para mag-serve, hindi lang sa iyo, pero sa Pilipinas.
Well, PRRD was always a father figure, not only to me, but to all of us. My special story about this is that when I had a miscarriage, he was very considerate and he was very concerned, and he let me to take time to rest and recover from the incident. He also tried to comfort me with his words and positive perspective. So I really appreciate that.
I'm really, really proud to have the honor to work with you as your aide. And in TV, you see him wearing barong, but after all the fiasco is over, he goes back and he changes into comfortable clothes, baggy shirts, jogging pants, chinelas, and he will enjoy a simple dish with us. He is the kind of person na pag nakikita mong kumakain, sobrang ganado. Kahit na yung ulam bulad, parang pati ikaw gaganahan kasi papaisip ka, parang sarap ng bulad, kakain na lang din ako. So seeing him like that, na simple pleasures in life, he enjoys very much. Wait lang, naiyak ako. Visit! I will always remember all the lessons you've taught me throughout my career and for the rest of my life.
Sa mga matagal nating pinagsamahan, sir, more than 5 years tayong magkasama. Nakita ko yung saya mo, yung hirap mo, yung mga tagumpay mo, syempre. Sana ma-enjoy mo pa yung life mo, na wala nang stress, wala nang lahat na ng gusto mong gawin, magagawa mo.
Ako magpasalamat kay nagatag ka sa amo og hope. Wala nga kabalo sir, pero idol jud ti ka sir. Kasi idol kay ti ka sir, dili kay tungod sa imong leadership o sa imong nabuhat sa amo kundi tungod sa imong pagkamaayong tao. Naarami permi sir, maga-support sa imo ha sir.